Hey there, Capricorns. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your 15th of July reading, and this is a general reading. If it can resonates you or may not, please take those messages who resonates you and leave the rest. Let's see what is the message for today from the universe for you, Capricorn. This reading will be in a three parts: first part of the day, middle part of the day, and last part of the day. Let's start our day reading. First card is Six of Wands. Second card is King of Cups, Capricorns. And last part of the day is the Death. Underneath the deck you are having the Tower card. So maybe you are having some kind of clash with someone. Maybe you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Here Scorpio is prominent. That card is a Scorpio card, and this is King of Cup. So you are dealing with a Scorpio this time, or because you have here is the Tower card. So some kind of clash, maybe you are having your with this person, or you are having a breakup with this person, or some kind of harsh communication. After harsh communication, you both broke up, or it's like that some property issues are going on with this person with you, and it's like that what you are going to recognize something in first part of the day, or maybe you are getting victory over something, over some situation, over some person, or in a workplace, or in a family, or maybe you're getting victory over something, like someone trying to defend themselves, or someone is trying to uh, tell some kind of truth, and try to spoil your reputation. Maybe someone is trying to spoil your reputation, and you are getting rewards and achievement, and your uh, and people are not after this clash, you are now getting some rewards. People are recognizing you in a different way, and your reputation is going to restore again in first part of the day, or maybe you are getting some kind of success over something, or middle part of the day. And in the middle part of the day you are dealing with a water sign, or maybe you are holding your emotions back uh, regarding some issues, or you are having full control over your emotions in the middle part of the day, and you are now showing enough gestures toward that person, because if you are getting success, so you are keep yourself cool and calm. You are not overwhelming, and you are not showing joys, a lot of joy. It's like that you are just cool and calm and relaxed and normal. So, or maybe you are having success over someone. Maybe you are trying to ask something from someone. Maybe this person, a King of Cup, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, maybe Cancer, Scorpio. You are trying to ask something, but you got clash, and then you are getting success whatever you are asking from this person. So things are changing in the last part of the day. What was the situation is going to end this with this person, like whatever you are having clash, whatever that situation with you are having with this person is going to end in the last part of the day, and maybe you are getting some kind of success here. So Capricorn, it's a major transformation is going to start in the last part of the day. So Capricorn, that was your reading for the 15th of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.